Come on. Hi, I'm Anya. Say,
Hi, I'm Anya.
let's study.
I'm studying.
Show. Look at the camera, Anya. Look at the camera. Anya, look in the camera. Hi. So
Hi.
wave in the camera. Wave in the camera.
Hi, it's Anya.
Wave.
Hi.
Look in the camera, Anya. Look in the camera.
It's Anya.
Wave. Hi.
Hi, it's Anya.
Okay. So,
And notice, hi, and notice.
how about this one? What is the vowel versus constant? Which is vowel, A or Q?
A,
A. How about W and E? Which is vowel?
E,
E. How about V and O? Which is vowel?
O,
Wow. How about A and D?
D,
No, it's not D. Which is the vowel? A or D?
A,
A. How about L and I?
I,
Hi, wow. How about X and U?
U,
U. How about R and U?
I,
No, R is a constant. Which vowel? R or U?
U.
U. Okay, very
Yeah,
good.
that's a high five!
High five! Okay. Okay.
Yay!
What do you want to study now?
Five feet.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. No, stand up.
Achoo. See, I'm putting this one.
Did you put that?
Yeah.
Ah.
I broke this one.
The boy wears, what's this one? T-shirt?
I like the boy.
The boy wears
T-shirt.
T-shirt and
Jacket.
jacket. How about this one?
A backpack.
How about this one?
Shoe.
Shoe. It's a rubber shoe.
And then
This is a rubber shoe. How about the girl? How about Anya?
And yes, I broke his pants.
Broke his pants? Oh no.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's just as nice. And on the sleeve is also on this bumper is on this headband.
Headband. How about the other? How about the other one? This one. I want this one. How about this one?
I'm gonna fall.
How about this one? The bee?
The breeze is going up.
Oh, okay, the bee. How about the lizard?
The lizard is going on the each one.
Sideways. Left.
Left.
Okay. How about the snail?
The snail is going up.
No,
Up.
the snail
Up.
cannot go up.
The snail can go in my
Sideways. Snails go sideways.
Snail can go there.
Okay. How about the spider?
The spider goes on the web.
Under the web. Okay. Oh, this one. I want this one.
Ooh,
Oh, sit down properly.
the table.
No, sit down.
And where's the pink one?
I don't know. Sit down.
It was here.
Sit down.
Hi.
Sit down. What is this one? The dog is
Is going on the box.
on the box. Come on. And how about this one?
The dog is on the table.
Under the table. Okay. How about the other one? Here, look at here. Don't look at there. Look at here. This one.
The dog is on the stake.
On the?
Stake.
No, this is log.
Dog.
Say log. Log.
Dog.
Log. Okay. How about this one? The dog is? This one. How about this one? The dog is?
It's under the tree.
Under the tree. Come on. How about this one? The dog is under the?
The pink one.
How about this? The dog is under the?
Car.
Car. And how about this one? The dog is?
Ring the ball.
Under the ball. For the ball. How about this one? What's this one, Anya?
Angry.
Angry. And this one.
Happy.
Happy. And this one. Oh, what's the sad? What's the sad face?
I call it eye.
What's the sad face? Show the sad face. The crying face. The cry face.
I don't know.
No, like someone get your lollipop. Happen. Sad face. That's sad face. How about the scary face?
Scary everything.
Oh, show me how to be scared.
Scary everything
It's like
inside.
there's a zombie. What face do you feel? If you have a zombie. Oh no, that's scary, Anya. Okay.
Scary and you just the zombie.
Oh wow.
Zombie and zombie.
This one. I want this one.
I hate the zombie. No, zombie right here.
Okay. Come here na. Study here. You know this one?
A chair.
You know this one?
And I put my chair on.
Okay. How about this one? Which this one?
A trash can.
A trash can. And this one. What's this one? This one.
A rolly.
No, it's a sharpener.
A sharpener.
One more time. A sharpener.
A sharpener.
And this one?
A table.
No, this is not a table. This is
A chair.
chair. How about this one?
A scissor.
A scissor.
High five.
High five! Yes, high five. How about this one?
A TV.
A TV.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm sitting down.
Anya is?
It's good job.
Good job. And Anya is?
I get M.
Anya is W?
And Anna's bigger.
Anya is the W winner.
And Anna's the winner. Yay!
Anya's a winner and?
And I can finish it.
Okay.
I can finish this.
Raise your hand.
I see a pink.
Wow, you see a pink? Oh no.
Oh,
this one. Look.
My book is.
Okay.
I reach. That's Reggie.
What's that one?
I reach bucket.
Which of this object is in your classroom?
A trash can.
A trash can. What more?
And this is the classroom.
What is this one?
A TV.
No, it's not a TV. This is
A roller.
no, it's not a roller. It's a chalkboard.
A chalkboard.
One more time. It's chalkboard.
Chalkboard.
Okay, very good. High five.
High
High five. How about this one? This is a pencil and a sharp.
I'm not finished this.
Okay.
I'm sitting backwards.
Sitting backward. You sit properly.
Hey.
Sit properly because teacher Liberty will gonna get mad. Okay?
I'm sitting backwards.
Are you behave?
Yeah.
Anya is
Happy.
happy.
I press a happy face.
Okay. Show to the camera happy face. Show this image. Put this image on. Put this image. How about the sad face?
Where is Anya? Where is Anya? Where's me?
Where's you?
He.
Sad face. Where's your sad face? The angry face. That's funny face. How about the scary face?
The scary zombie.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, careful!
I'm gonna fall.
You fall down.
Yeah, fall down.
Ah.
Teacher. Yeah, okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, Anya.
I fall down.
Okay, Anya. What's color of this one? Come on, stay.
Where is Anya? Where is me? Peekaboo.
Come on na.
Peekaboo.
Come on na. Let's study.
Peekaboo.
Let's study.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. And see me.
Okay, let's goodbye to the camera na. Goodbye.
Goodbye, video.
Kiss na. Kiss. Blow kiss.
Mwah.
Beautiful eyes. See you again.
See you again.
See you tomorrow.
And there is Anya.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Enjoy the video.